Hey, tired of waiting on hold during calls? With iOS 26, the new Hold Assist feature lets you know when someone comes back on the line, and here's how you can turn it on or off on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So first you have to open up your settings, then scroll down and go for apps, then select phone from here. Now scroll a bit and you will find this Hold Assist detection option. So if you want to use it, just turn it on and your phone will automatically detect hold music and stay on the call for you until a real person comes back. But if you don't want it, just toggle it off. Your calls will work normally without any auto detection or notifications. You can also enable this feature during a call. Just tap on the More option, then select Hold Assist. So your call will appear in the dynamic island. So just choose it, then tap on this phone icon. And that's it. That's how you can easily turn Hold Assist on or off on your iPhone. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.